Hi friends, I'm so happy that you've come to join me today. I'm Miss Rebecca and I love to find different ways to learn and practice my skills in my everyday routine. Today, I could really use help with something. Do you think you can help me? Great, that is so kind. So today, I need to do some laundry. I've been so busy playing and learning new things that I didn't realize how many clothes I have to wash. Have you ever helped do the laundry at home? If you have, you know it takes a lot of hard work. We have to use our whole bodies and lots of muscles to do the laundry, right? We need to throw our dirty clothes in the hamper. We need to bend and lift the hamper of dirty clothes off the floor. We need to put our clothes into the washing machine, and we need to use our hands to twist and turn the dial to turn the machine on, or sometimes we might even get to press a big button. Then, when our clothes are finished washing, we need to take them out and carefully put them in the dryer. And when our laundry is dry, we get to use our hands and fingers to fold or hang them up. So before we get started, how about we do some stretches to get our bodies ready? Are you ready to do some stretches together? Great! Follow along with me at home as we sing. Okay, friends, let's pretend we are in our rooms and we see a bunch of dirty clothes on the floor. Oops! Let's be helpful and pick these up. Ready? This is the way we pick up our clothes, pick up our clothes, pick up our clothes. This is the way we pick up our clothes off the floor. Nice job. Now let's add our clothes into the hamper. Ready? We're gonna bend over. Let's sing it. This is the way we gather our clothes, gather our clothes, gather our clothes. This is the way we gather our clothes to do the laundry. Yay, all our clothes are in our basket. Now, let's take this big basket and walk to the washing machine. You ready to get your legs up? Here we go, let's count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, we made it. Now, let's add our clothes to the machine. We're gonna do something special here. We're gonna pretend we're throwing them in like we're throwing a ball. Ready? Get your clothes, here we go. This is the way we throw our clothes, throw our clothes, throw our clothes. This is the way we throw our clothes into the washing machine. We did it. Way to go, all our clothes are now inside. So now we can add some soap, and we'll need to turn the machine on. I know I have to twist the dial to make my washing machine start. Let's practice twisting our hands and our wrists. You ready? This is the way we turn it on, turn it on, turn it on. This is the way we turn it on to wash our clothes. Do you hear that? It's the water spilling into the machine. And look, the clothes are beginning to spin. Let's twist and spin with our clothes now. This is the way our clothes spin and twist, spin and twist, spin and twist. This is the way our clothes spin and twist to get clean. Great, our clothes are finished, and now they need to dry. Sometimes people hang their clothes to dry. Sometimes people put them in the dryer. And sometimes people will shake out their wet clothes. Let's practice shaking to dry our clothes. So we're gonna shake our whole bodies. You ready? Let's do it. This is the way we dry our clothes, dry our clothes, dry our clothes. This is the way we dry our clothes out of the machine. Way to go. Now that our clothes are all dry, we can fold them so they're ready to be put away. Let's sing it. This is the way we fold our clothes, fold our clothes, fold our clothes. This is the way we fold our clothes when they're nice and clean. Wow, my body is feeling all warmed up and ready to go. Before we take a look at my basket of clothes I have here, let's get those brains ready to learn. One great way to get our brains ready to learn is to take 3 big, deep breaths. Let's be a washing machine. Ready? We're gonna breathe in through our nose, and as we breathe in, we're gonna fill up with soap and water. And then as we breathe out of our mouths, we're gonna go on a spin cycle. You ready? Let's practice taking those 3 deep breaths. Here we go. Breathe it in and out. That's 1. Let's do our second one. Breathe it in and out. That's 2. Last breath, make it really big. Breathe it in and spin it. We did it. I can tell that my brain and my body are ready to learn and tackle my laundry. So here's my basket. Let's take a look at how many pieces of clothing I have to wash today. Oh, it's kind of heavy, friends, but take a look. Can you guess how many clothes I have inside? What do you think? 5? 15? 25? Put your thumbs up once you think you have a guess. All right, let's find out and see if you're right. Let's count out loud together and find out how many clothes are in my basket. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, there's 15 pieces of clothes. Did you guys guess right? Okay, friends, let's move my basket so we have plenty of room to sort. Here we go. I have a big jacket here. I have a sock. I have a shirt. I have another shirt. Another shirt. I have a pair of pants. Another pair of pants. Here's a shirt again. Here's a new type of clothing. Here's a dress. Oh, another sock. Another sock. What is it, friends? You're right, another shirt. Pair of pants. Here's a shirt and another shirt. Okay, so now we have sorted all of my clothes into the different kinds. I know exactly what type of clothes I am going to be washing today. But usually, when I do my laundry, I need to sort my clothes by color too. That way, I can keep my light clothes separate from my dark clothes and keep the colors separate too. So, do you guys think you can help me sort my clothes again? But this time, we're gonna sort by color. So let's take a look at these piles. What are some of the colors that you see? You see some black. What else? Some white. What else do you notice? Blue. Some pink. What else? Red too. Nice looking. Okay, so we have lots of different colors that we need to sort by. Are you guys ready? Let's pick one color to start with. How about we start with black first? Ready? Let's see, where are all the black clothes? Here we go. There's my black pile. What color do you think we should do next? White? All right, let's try it. Here we go. We did it. What next? Pink? Okay. I think we're good. What color now? You want to try blue? All right, let's do it. Here we go. There's blue. And what's the color that's left, friends? Red. That's right. Wow, we did it. We put all of my clothes in piles based on color. Now, do you guys remember? Which color did I have the most of? Yeah, we had the most black, and we also had a lot of blue too. So, bonus question, friends. Which color did I have the least of? Good for you! Red! There was only one red shirt in my whole pile of laundry. Way to go, guys. I feel so much better. We counted out my clothes, so I know exactly how much I have to wash. I know the different types of clothes I am washing, and we even sorted the different clothes by color so that I can keep the light colors together when I put them into the washing machine. I'll make sure not to mix my light colors with my dark colors now. Thanks, friends. That was so helpful. I can't wait to get this load of laundry started right away. We just did some laundry together, and you know what? We worked on so many math skills. Counting, sorting, comparing. Who knew you could learn so much by doing the wash? I hope you had as much fun as I did today. I challenge you to help with the laundry at your home. See if you can count the clothes and sort them by type and color. Which item or color are you washing the most of in that load? Or the least? Can you figure out another way to sort your clothes? I can't wait to hear all about it. Until next time, stay curious and creative, learners, and remember, every day is a chance to learn something new. Bye-bye now. I wish you well on your next learning adventure, and I'll see you soon.